The Lady Bullpups successfully defended their UAAP Girls High School Volleyball crown with a hard-fought victory over the FEU Baby Tamaraws. Led by season's MVP Liza Bampamberayo, the Lady Bullpups displayed championship poise throughout the match. The team's all-around performance anchored their title run and proved decisive in the championship clash.
Set 1 opened with a strong offensive display from the open sides of the NU court. Defense was nowhere to be found for the FEU Baby Tamaraws. The crowd fell silent when season MVP Bambam Berayo went down for a minute. Fortunately, she quickly recovered and continued playing. NU closed the opening set with a 25-19 win. In set 2, NU's offense remained unstoppable, highlighted by solid blocks and quick attacks from the towering duo of Agustin and Cruz, securing another set victory at 25-17. Hungry for the championship, the Lady Bullpups entered set 3 with relentless offense and impenetrable defense, dominating the set and sealing the championship with a convincing 25-15 win. Finally, Rain Navarro was named Finals MVP after leading the squad to a back-to-back championship.
I'm joined here with the captain and co-captain of the NUNS Lady Bullpups volleyball team. Okay, first and foremost, congratulations on successfully taking home the crown once again. And what was going on through your mind during the game and how are you feeling as of the moment?
Syempre po, masaya din po kasi nanalo po kami kasi ilang months po namin ito pinaghirapan. With the help of our coaches naman po, syempre ginay din po kami hanggang dulo po and syempre yung mga teammates din po namin, ginawa po ito namin ng sabay-sabay po dahil po, nagtulong-tulong po kami lahat and ngayon nakuha po namin yung championship.
How about you, Ate Bamba? For me, parang naging confident lang kami coming into this game. Parang yun lang yung naging mindset namin. Sobrang laking bagay talaga na nakuha namin yung first game. And as a defending champion din, parang yun din yung tinatak namin sa mga isip namin. Yung pinaka-mindset talaga namin is wala nang game 3. Eto na yun, tatapusin namin to. And nagtulong-tulong lang din po kami. We trusted the coaching system, yung system namin ng team namin. And yun, nakuha namin yung championship. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations po.